Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the scene and selecting the camera you want to capture. Set the frame range immediately to the keyframes you need and pick resolution and aspect ratio. Once done, simplify the viewport. Turn off motion blur and any heavy render overlays so playback is smooth. Also choose a display renderer like Viewport 2, 0 for speed. These steps reduce dropped frames and make the output match what you expect. Next, open the Playblast options and set up the export details. You must enable Save to File and pick a container or image sequence. Choose compression and quality that balance size and fidelity. Make sure scale is correct and toggle off-screen if you want background rendering. Include HUD elements or frame numbers if needed. They help verify timing. Once configured, preview with a short range to confirm timing and look before committing to a full export. Finally, run the Playblast and watch the Maya feedback for dropped frames or write errors. Save to a stable location and confirm the file plays back at correct speed. If audio is required and Playblast clips it, export audio from the timeline and resync in an editor. If you see black frames or missing textures, make sure Viewport 2, 0 is up to date, disable unsupported viewport features, or update GPU drivers. These fixes resolve most Playblast failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.